Welcome to my channel Manju Makes. Today's recipe is Coconut Rabri. It's my family recipe and it is going to be very delicious as well as nutritious. For this we require 1 liter full cream milk, coconut, you can take fresh as well as dry coconut, mawa, assorted nuts, elaichi, sugar, paneer and kevra essence. First, we have to boil the milk in a heavy bottom pan. In the meanwhile, I will grate this coconut. The milk has started boiling now. Now we will add, this is around 1 cup of grated coconut. We will add this. As earlier I said that you can use dry coconut also, but it will take much time to cook than this. Now let it simmer for some time, or you can say till this coconut is done. Simmer it on the low to medium flame. Now you can see that coconut has turned. Please scrape the sides. And now we will add this mawa, elaichi powder, and coarsely crushed assorted nuts. Mix it well and let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Now you can see that milk has reduced to half. Now we will add sugar in it. And mix it till it gets dissolved. Now I will add my last ingredient, that is this paneer, which is coarsely mashed, and I will add this in this coconut rabri. And please take care that after adding this paneer, no more cooking is required. Just switch off the flame. Now let it cool at room temperature, and then we will freeze it for half an hour. Now this rabri has cooled down to room temperature. Now I will add kevra essence in it. Just 2 to 3 drops are enough. And then I will refrigerate them in the fridge for 20 to 30 minutes. You will love it when it is at cooling temperature. I will decorate with nuts and saffron. Watching the recipe, please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment down your experience when you make this recipe. See you next time. Bye.